How does Vesica Piscis work in sacred geometry? Have you ever wondered how shapes can hold such deep meanings? The Vesica Piscis is a perfect example of this. It is formed by the intersection of two circles that have the same radius. Each circle's center sits on the edge of the other. This creates a unique almond-shaped area known as the mandorla. At its heart, the Vesica Piscis symbolizes the coming together of two distinct entities to create something new. In sacred geometry, these circles can representing dualities like spirit and matter, or male and female. The area where they overlap is seen as a point of creation, balance, and harmony. Mathematically, the Vesica Piscis contains two equilateral triangles. It has a height-to-width ratio closely related to the square root of 3. This number appears often in geometry and nature. Historically, this ratio has been used to create equilateral triangles and other geometric figures. Thus, the Vesica Piscis serves as a starting point for many sacred geometric designs. Culturally, the Vesica Piscis has been linked to fertility, life, and divine femininity. It often symbolizes the womb or the birth of life. In early Christian symbolism, it took on added meanings, representing the glory of God and the connection between heaven and earth. The shape resembles the ichthys, or fish symbol, which was an early Christian emblem. You can also see it in religious art, like the mandorla-shaped halos around figures of Jesus. Additionally, it appears in Gothic architecture, where arches and windows are designed based on its geometry. Philosophically, the Vesica Piscis embodies the idea that creation arises from the union of dualities. This reflects many religious and mystical traditions that see numbers and shapes as carriers of spiritual meaning. Practically, the Vesica Piscis is a foundational element in sacred geometry. It helps construct more complex patterns like the flower of life and Metatron's cube. These patterns are often used in spiritual practices and meditative art. The proportions of the Vesica Piscis guide the design of harmonious structures and artworks, blending mathematical precision with symbolic meaning. In essence, the Vesica Piscis works in sacred geometry as both a geometric figure and a symbol of creation, balance, and spiritual connection. It beautifully links mathematics, spirituality, and art, expressing meaningful relationships through a simple yet powerful shape.